Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we are going to talk about how to access or even how to share iCloud storage with your family. Okay? So first thing first, of course, I want you to open your settings, and then this should be the landing page of your settings, right? Now, I want you to click on this tab. It says General. I'm gonna hold onto it so it'll be highlighted for you guys. Now, once you're in General, I just want you to click on Software Update, the second one right here. Now, as you can see here, it was checking for update. Why I'm doing this? Because it is very important to keep your iOS or your iPhone or any Apple devices up to date for you to optimize all the features available on your iOS. Okay? So as you can see here, I have an available pending update called iOS 16.6. Now, I won't download and install it right now because we're in the middle of a presentation, right? So in cases that it's your turn or you're trying this on your own and you have stumbled upon a pending update, please update it before proceeding regarding the family sharing iCloud, okay? Once that's done and you're up to date, I want you to go back on your settings. This should be your landing page of your settings, and then just click on your name. The very first part right there, and as you can see here, it has iCloud, media purchases, Find My, family sharing. Of course, we're gonna click family sharing right here, just click on that one. Now we will have a family checklist right here, subscription, purchase sharing, location sharing, okay? So from here, just click on this icon on the top right, click on add right there. Now, this is how we share. We're gonna invite others on our iCloud family. Let me just highlight this option right here. Once you click on this one, just choose whatever or whomever family member you wanna share your iCloud with. That being said, it's easy as pie. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.